You've seen how the budget is made, kung saan sinisingit, ginagamit ang flood control. The President comes out with a list, so dediretsuhin na kita. Yung SunWest Incorporated had 79 projects na flood control. They were given 10 billion pesos. Ang founder nun, si Zaldico. Ang High Tone, 61 projects. 4.8 billion pesos. This is on record. Bakit di sila ang ipatawag? Parang naglolokohan tayong lahat. Pinapagalitan nyo yung DPWH, pero yung totoo, the corruption starts with Congress owning contractual companies, these construction companies, and getting alleged kickbacks.
There are ghost projects there. Or there were ghost projects.
In all candidness, Your Honor, I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
Kailan nyo pa nalaman na may mga ghost projects? Since you assumed office, Mr. Secretary? Or just lately? Just lately?
Just lately, Your Honor.
And the contractor, allegedly, Wow Builders, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And SYMS Construction. Am I correct?
I don't recall that name, Your Honor. But
Who is the owner of Wow Builders? Is he here? Is he present here?
Senator Jinggoy was invited but walang reply as of now.
I think the committee already will issue a subpoena. All right. So
the records will show that if there is no project at all that was implemented and payment has been made, then it's on.
tapos na, nasunog na yung pera natin.
That's actually.
All right. Magkano ang in-award dito sa mga sa Wow Builders?
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but I think it's predominantly.
No. Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag nyo ako lulukoyin dito. Labas nyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wow.
In Bulacan alone, Wow Builders had 85 projects amounting to 5,971,811,000.
In Bulacan alone.
This is for Bulacan First Engineering District Office, Your Honor.
Are you investigating this right
Yes,
now?
Your Honor. We're investigating it.
What is the status of your investigation?
They will be coming up with their. Financial and physical report in 1 week's time, Your Honor, to my office.
So, paki-nota nyo lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
At pagtutulong-tulungan po nating hukayin lahat ito, kahit multo sila, palagay ko may butong matitira para sa ganun sa susunod po nating pagdinig ay makita natin po talaga kung gaano ang nawawala sa ating gobyerno. Hindi lamang po yun. Kung gaano ang dapat pa nating gawin. Para sa ganun, ito pong pinaka-importanting usapin na ito ay maumpisan lang nating ayusin. Hindi po natin, we have no pretensions, Mr. Secretary, that this is very easy. Ngunit sa kagaya po ng sinabi namin kanina, kung lahat po makikipagtulungan, lalong-lalo na po, yung lahat ng gustong magsabi ng totoo at sa tulong po ng lahat ng mga kawani ng DPWH na magsasabi rin ng totoo, maayos po natin ito.